You ever wonder how you make a green smoothie that's not so high in sugar, that's still good for you with natural ingredients instead of the whole Jamba Juice stuff? I'm gonna show you. Stay tuned. Alright, so we're gonna start with half a cup of fresh kale. Then we're gonna take a banana, a large banana. We're only gonna use half. Want to lower the sugar, natural sugar, of course. Take a third of a cup of diced pineapple, third of a cup of diced mango, half a cup of coconut water. This is lime infused. Half an avocado. One tablespoon hemp seed. Now it's nicely blended. I'm going to shake it and put it in a cup. See how nice the consistency is? The avocado gives it that smooth texture. And then the most important thing, taste test. Wow, it's really good. So I hope you like this episode. Welcome back to the channel. There'll be new content coming out every week. I'm going to try to upload them as quick as possible. Please hit subscribe. Stay tuned to next week for the next episode. Love you guys. See you later. Take it easy. Bye.
Buy this smoothie weight loss product to lose weight in 21 days. https://tinyurl.com/bddctm7b